Look at how to connect the Ezy Connect so that we can quickly update your schema and your meta descriptions. You want a lot of green like this on your Ezy dashboard, and as you can see, our score isn't too bad, 29%. The reason is we're not seen for any of these prompts. We want to be seen for these prompts, but we are seen for one. This website here is seen. So we've got a score and we've got a few greens here, but what we really want, we want to increase this score and we want to show up for more prompts and answers. So with Schema, if you have a quick look at Schema, you've got a quality score, you've got all the suggestions, and Ezy uses its own deterministic logic layer to work out what recommendations and what things to fix within your schema. It will keep all your existing schema, but update it, make it better. And this is way better than just asking an LLM what to do. We use our own deterministic logic with 4 full-time PhDs who are in physics and maths, who spend all their time working out how you should appear higher in AI visibility. So let's go to the bottom. Hopefully you'll start getting used to these workbench pages. They all look the same. We can generate our schema, and Ezy Connect not available, which means we need to connect our Ezy Connect. So while this is doing the hard work for you, this is going to fix all of these problems on your web page, on your web pages. We can come out of this, it will keep on loading. And remember, our score is 72%, okay, on our schema. So let's try and connect now. Ezy Connect has got a slightly different look and feel, just so you know that you're in a different place. And here, I've got a connection. In fact, let's just delete this, just so that we can do it from scratch. Now, let's say plus Ezy Connect, which means add Ezy. We select our domain, all very easy so far. Probably going to be easy until we leave the Ezy website. And if you've got a lovable website, if you've got a web developer, then maybe you want them to do this. But if you're tech savvy, then give it a go yourself. So this particular website that we're doing this for is on Shopify. So go to Shopify admin. Okay, not sure what this is, but I'm logged into Shopify here. Let's go to, no idea where I am. I'm not very good with Shopify. So go to Shopify, click on these 3 dots here. So we've got online store on the left, themes, 3 dots, click on the 3 dots, click edit code. Obviously, you want to be very careful here. Continue with unsupported browser. As you can see, I'm terrible at keeping my browsers up to date. I'm a human at the end of the day. So, okay, let's click. And now I have no idea where I am. So we're going to go back for the brilliant instructions on Ezy. Click layout, drop down. Okay, click actions, edit code, which we've done. Click layout, drop down. Okay, so we're going to click the layout, drop down. Easy enough. Open themes.liquid. Now, here's something a bit weird. Most of you are going to want themes.liquid, okay? But some of you are going to want ecom.liquid. So let's say for now, if you have an ecom.liquid, you go here. Right, open theme.liquid, paste the script. The script should be here, but let's close the instructions. Let's copy this script, okay? Press copy, or if you're even simpler, just Control-C or Command-C on a Mac. Let's go across to Shopify. Let's go down to the bottom of the /head. Do you know what? I can't be bothered to look for it, so I'm going to press Control-F, /head. And here you have a connector. Now, let's just delete this one. Here. And let's paste this one here. Now, one thing to note is that this script I've just added for Ezy Connect 4, it must be on the same line as the header. These 2 here must be on the same line. That's it. Press save, this button here, and it's saved. That's all we've got to do. So if we now go back to the integration, everything loads using WebSockets. Sorry, technical term. Everything brilliantly loads on the page. All the pixels refresh in real time. Test connection, and with a little bit of luck, we are connected. Okay, that's it. With this one little bit of code, you're now connected. We can go back to the dashboard. We can go back down to our widgets. Now we can look at our schema, which is hopefully loaded. all these 40 pages and hundreds of different problems. Let's just shut that. Don't want to read all this jargon. And here you have it. Here are all of the schemas that Ezy recommends you should update to improve your website. So I'm just going to do this on the homepage.com. You might not want to do it on every page, but you can click this small expand button here. And you can, now, here's the incredible thing. Ezy is picking all of this up for you. All of this information, all of the ratings, all of your addresses, everything for every single page. And we check this heavily to make sure, I mean, it's taken 200,000 lines of code to get this right. And we do this for you, but it's worth just checking. Make sure you're happy with all the information, because LLMs can read JSON or let's say JavaScript text a lot easier than reading your whole website. So there we go. We could select them all. Just for simplicity, I'm just going to upload to the home page, just so you can see I only need to select one at a time. I can, as you see, I can view this stuff. I can click in and edit it. And let's now upload just this one, okay? So there's the button, a bit difficult to find. UI guy, please help. Upload to website. It's going to do some uploading now. Upload successful. That's it, done. Very, very good, very, very easy. And just think of the work that this would take to go in and update all of your schema. When we find a better way of doing schema in the future, when LLMs update something, we will send you a message, ask you to come back here and just re-update your schema. And of course, you can view all your current schema here and make sure that things are updated. And there is a lot. There's 98 schemas there on this particular page. So your score will slowly update, and we're at 29%. Here we're at 72%. This can take a little bit to update sometimes because it's updating your website, but at some point this might go to 73%, or it might not, it might stay there, and this will affect your overall score, and you'll see over time how your prompts increase. So I hope you found that useful. Nice little refetch has been complete there. And as you can see, here's the current schema and everything put nicely and tidily into line. I hope that helps. Let me know if you need anything else. Shopify is about 10% of users. WordPress is about 43%. But as these things grow, you're going to find that more sites like Lovable. You can just say to Lovable, please upload my schema from Ezy. So I am now waffling. I'm going to leave before I do anything else, but that's quite nice how you can move that around. Thank you for your time, guys.